We realise that plastering downlights aren't a new thing, but they are very popular at the moment with installations where they want to see as little of the light fitting as possible. And the way around that is the V50 Pro Plaster-In. Now what you do with this is you cut a hole in your ceiling, you insert this into the hole, and what you've got here is this very shallow part which sits as close to the ceiling as you can possibly get it, and the head of the screw is flush with the top of that plate. Then when you put a very thin skim of plaster over it, you don't see the screw head. You've got exactly what they want, which is nothing but the light source on display. Before you start plastering this in, you bring your mains cables down and you tuck them into this thing here, push that up inside. And what that does, twofold, as you're plastering, it keeps your mains cable out of the way. You don't want to electrocute your plasterer, but it stops the plaster going up inside the fitting, which could be a problem later on. Once you've applied the plaster to the ceiling and it's dry, now time to install the product itself. This is based on our very successful V50 range, but in a different housing to enable it to be installed inside the ring there. You've got a double jaw connector, so it's easy to get the cables in. So you can insert your mains cables into the terminal block, and you've got 2 rows of teeth that secure the insulation on the cable. Once you've done that, you push that up through the metal part into the ceiling. We've designed this in such a way the cable entry can come out sideways and also go up vertically. This is so that it doesn't catch when you're pushing it up into the metal holder there. As you can see, there are 2 tabs that stick out either side of that. They are what hold the luminaire in the ceiling. And what we've got here on the side of the can, we've got this groove, L-shaped groove. When you insert it, it will slide along that channel there, and then as you twist it, using finger pressure only, it will lock up under here. We're really pleased with the outcome of this. It's a great way of taking an existing product, and we found a way of utilising it in a way that is very current, very modern, and very popular. As with all our products these days, we work with electricians to make sure that our products will work in the real world and in the marketplace.